Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a makeup tutorial on this look and okay, I'm getting too excited. I also have a giveaway today in this video. I'm gonna be giving away an ABHXAMREZY highlighter. It's brand new, untouched. So the rules to enter are gonna be at the end of this video. So make sure you watch until the end of this video. And before I keep going on, make sure you're subscribed. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. Okay guys, so I already did one eye off of camera, so let's go ahead and get started with the other eye. Okay guys, so I already put my base on my eyes, my eye primer. I use my concealer, my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I set it with my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder. To start off, I'm going to be using my Morphe M441 brush and the shade Orange Soda. I'm going to be slowly building up this shade in the crease with using windshield wiper motions. Now that our transition shade is complete, I'm going to be taking the shade Burnt Orange on my BH Cosmetics V5 brush. And I'm going to be applying this color in the same way, so the same windshield wiper motions, but directly in the crease. I am going to drag it a little bit higher, but I want this to be really well blended with the previous shade. Following up, I'm gonna switch over to my Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm gonna be taking this Wet n Wild crease brush and the shade Love Letter from the palette, and I'm gonna be applying this shade in the same way I did all the previous ones, just a little bit lower. So directly in the crease and windshield wiper motions as well. You guys, I fell in love with the other eye. Like, I'm gonna be so disappointed if they don't turn out exactly the same. I'm going to be repeating the same steps. I'm just going to be darkening the crease a bit more. I want to make sure the crease is super dark because I did like a half cut crease, and I noticed that they come out nicer and they look way better whenever there's deeper shades in the crease, because it makes a cut just look so much more cleaner. I'm going to keep using the same brush, but now the darkest brown shade called Cypress Umber, and I'm going to be applying this on the outer lid. So this, I'm going to just tap it directly on the outer lid, and then once I get rid of the most product on my brush is when I'm going to go in windshield wiper motions. Okay guys, and if you like how that looks like that, you can leave it like that and go ahead and start cutting the crease. But I want it to be a little bit darker and follow the same eye. So I'm gonna, same brush, same technique, but now with the shade that black shade right there. Make sure you tap off your brush because, you know, black shades can get really messy. And if you don't feel comfortable using a big blending brush, I would suggest applying this with a smaller brush because black can get really messy. To finish off all of this blending, I'm going to go back with the first brush I used, my Morphe M441, and no additional product, just to make sure everything's blended out nicely. Now to cut the crease, I'm going to be using my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer and this Wet n Wild Small Concealer brush. This is like my favorite concealer brush for everything. For eyebrows, for creases, for everything. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna like move my eyes around to see where I want it. So I want to apply the concealer below where the black is to make sure that there's dark enough, because if I go too high, I'm just gonna cover up basically all the darkness and the blending that I did. So without closing my eye, without blinking, I'm going to quickly switch over to my Morphe M510 and this Stila Glitter. And it's in the shade Rose Gold Retro. You guys, it looks so pretty. Okay, so now that it is dried, I'm still going to be careful because I have like hooded eyes. I'm going to be taking the same brush, but the opposite side. That got me tired. And from the same soft glam palette, I'm gonna take this shade. I think it's called Sultry. Yeah, Sultry. And I'm gonna apply it on the edges of where I applied like that liquid glitter. And well, let me just show you. And it's gonna blend it out and make it look so nice. Okay guys, so that is basically it for the eye. I'm gonna go ahead and add some liner and falsies and I'll be right back to finish off the face. Okay guys, so now that I've finished the other eye, I'm gonna go ahead and take my YSL blurring primer and I'm just gonna apply that underneath my eyes, like around the T-zone. And I know this product is pricey, but I love it so much. It honestly does do what it claims to do. It blurs out all the pores. So I'm gonna let that sink into my skin for a little bit before going in with foundation. And please excuse that my face is a little bit red. I did a face mask before this, so my face usually gets red after that. Okay guys, so for foundation, I'm gonna be taking my Fenty Beauty foundation and mine is in the shade 170. So now I'm just gonna blend that out with my Damp Brow Technique sponge. Guys, I'm so excited to be filming again, and I know I mentioned this in the beginning of the video, but I do have a giveaway at the end of this video. It's nothing big, it's just one item, but I'm so excited, so make sure y'all stay tuned till the end. To lightly set the rest of my face, and I mean really lightly, I'm gonna be taking another brush from It's My Ray Ray collab and my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder in the shade Clear Light 05. After that is done, I'm gonna be using my NARS Laguna bronzer, and this is like my favorite bronzer on this planet, and my Morphe R2 brush. And before I go in with any highlight or anything, I'm gonna take my MAC Fix Plus and drench my face in it. And I'm very sorry if y'all hear like trucks. I think they're like doing construction around my house. I know it sucks. Okay, so. And now to finish off the look and like my most favorite part of this tutorial, highlight. And I'm gonna be taking the ABHXAMREZY highlight. You guys, just look at how pretty that is. Okay, I'm gonna swatch it real quick. I love it, and I feel like it's so versatile. Like it works on so many different skin tones. Like I've never had a pale gold highlight that worked for me except for this one. You guys, that was one swipe. Okay, I'm at a little bit more, just a little bit more. And for lips, I'm gonna be taking my ABH liquid lip in the shade Striped. Yeah, this is very beautiful nude. Okay guys, so that is it for this tutorial, but now we're gonna be moving on to the giveaway item. So I'm gonna be giving away an ABHXAMREZY highlighter, and I haven't even opened the box. I have it right here. But let me go ahead and open it just to make sure nothing's broken. The highlighter looks fine. So here's the highlighter I'm going to be giving away. It's unopened. I'm just going to open it to make sure that it's not broken and that it looks good. I'm going to be super careful. Okay guys, so there it is, untouched. I'm going to put it away before I do something to it. And now to win the highlighter, it's going to be very easy, very simple, similar to my previous giveaway. So first rule, you have to be subscribed to my channel, because how are you gonna win a prize if you're not subscribed to my channel? So subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. You can, whatever comment you want to leave, just make sure you leave a comment down below, and that'll be for one entry. If you want to enter the giveaway twice, I'm gonna be posting a tweet about this video on my Twitter, and my Twitter is just AdriValencia6. I'll have it linked down below, and all you have to do is go retweet my post, and yeah, that's it. So for one entry, you must be subscribed and leave a comment down below. For your second entry, make sure you go and retweet my tweet about this video on Twitter. Okay guys, so that is it for this makeup tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope y'all enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all next time.